Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get QR codes for your Shopify store. First, understand that QR codes provide a seamless bridge between the physical and digital worlds for your customers. They offer a super fast way to direct shoppers to specific products, collections, or even your entire online shop. We'll explore both built-in Shopify options and powerful third-party applications to help you get started. Shopify offers built-in functionality to create QR codes, especially for individual product pages, making it simple to link directly to an item. For more advanced needs, like custom designs, bulk generation, or detailed analytics, exploring the Shopify App Store is highly recommended. Many apps provide dynamic QR codes, allowing you to change the link destination without reprinting the code, offering great flexibility. Customizing your QR codes makes them more appealing and on-brand. You can incorporate your brand colors and even embed your company logo directly into the code's center. Remember to maintain a minimum size of about 1 inch by 1 inch for optimal scannability. Strategically link these codes to specific product pages, special discount offers, or engaging landing pages to maximize their impact. Once created, deploy your QR codes strategically. Consider placing them on product packaging, business cards, flyers, or even in store displays to capture customer interest. Crucially, track their performance using analytics to understand how many scans you receive and where they originate. This valuable data, often provided by third-party apps, helps you optimize future campaigns and achieve better engagement with your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.